Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hook up the fabric extender. So the first thing is we have to physically hook it up. So just give me a second and I will pull up a picture. Okay, here we go. We're looking at 4 Nexus switches. The bottom 2 are 5Ks and the top 2 are the fabric extenders. These ones are 2Ks. So here you see, well, the blue is just my console connection. But anyways, these these are called twin axe cables. That's what these black cables are. All they are is a cable that is factory connected into an SFP module. That's it. These are like $12 to $15 a piece for a 10 gig one. They're not expensive at all. The ones I have are copper, but you can use fiber, whatever. Anyways, so I have this plugged into Ethernet 1/1 on my Nexus switch here. And then if you follow the cable, it plugs into this guy's Ethernet 1/1 port. Well, not Ethernet 1/1. It's a special port. You have to plug it in these yellow coated ports. Otherwise, the fabric extender will never connect up to the 5K. Okay, going back. Now, let's see what configurations I have. So we can do show run interface. See, I have nothing on Ethernet 1/1. Alright, so the first thing I have to do is I have to go into conft mode. And now I have to tell it feature, and then these are my options. There are a lot of options. However, this is the only one I'm interested in. Disable, enable FEX. So FEX. Alright, now FEX is enabled. So I can go into interface E11. Whoops, that's not how you do that. And I can go switch port mode. That's not how you spell that. Mode FEX. Alright. And we'll look at that configuration. And that's it for that. Now, the interface is capable of connecting up to that fabric switch. However, there's one more thing I have to do. We'll do gets FEX associate. I think it's 100. I think that's the only command I need to do. And then I can exit this, and I can go show FEX 100. And now we see the state is connected. If the fabric switch, the fabric extender, I should call it, had a different version operating system than my 5K, it would have taken a considerable time to connect up to it, because it will have to update or downgrade that operating system so the versions match. And it would do it automatically. You don't have to do anything. And that was the case when I hooked these up to the first time. They had a lower version on the fabric extenders. So I don't have to go through that again. Now there's an additional command you can type. You can go detail, and you can see some other stuff. Not much right now because I don't have anything configured, but you know, it's there. Now I can show you Oh, here you go. Yeah, you can see the message where it's FEX 100 is coming online. Alright. Now let's go to this detail command. Now we have a lot more. Okay. So before it ended right here, and now we can see Ethernet 100 because I chose it to be FEX Associate 100, and then 1/1. And 1/1 will be, look at the picture again, these ports. Well, 1/1 is up here, but all of these ports right here. So that's pretty simple. So if I want to configure these, I can just do so in my interfaces, and I can do that. I'm not going to actually do any configurations, but I can do that, and then I can make configurations on the interface. And if you want to play around with other commands, for example, you can do show inventory FEX 100. That's how you can see the FEX. So the same things work with show version and pretty much any other command you can think of. Alright. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.